Brad Petty from NPi Entertainment. Today I want to talk to you about the tables at your wedding. If you have a bunch of guests, let's say 300 people, and you're in a smaller venue, and you've got all these tables side by side, and you're using up every inch of your venue, make sure that you don't have the older guests sitting next to the DJ speakers. Obviously that's going to create some problems, because if we're playing during your dinner or during your cocktail hour and those guests are sitting, and they're sitting right next to our speakers, and we need to turn the volume down to accommodate them, then the rest of the room isn't going to hear the music that we're playing. Another thing to think about, the venue has a bar that's in a separate room during your reception. That's going to draw a lot of people to that area, because obviously at a wedding a lot of people are drinking and they're at the bar and they're going to get cocktails. What that does is it pulls them away from the dance floor. So our DJs do a great job about getting everyone on the dance floor, but if you have a crowd that drinks a lot and they're always going to the bar and the bar's in a different room, you know what's going to happen. If you have a photo booth, try to get that set up in an area that's closer to the dance floor versus further away, because the same thing will happen. All your guests are going to want to take pictures and it's going to pull them away from the dance floor, and if it's down the hall in another room, then the same thing's going to happen. So we like to try to get everything set up as close to the dance floor as possible so that the party's contained and centralized and everybody's close to the music, close to the action, having fun and celebrating together.